Hi, welcome to the complete ASP.NET MVC course. My name is Mohammad Hamedani, and I'm going to be your instructor over the next few hours. Before we get started, let me quickly show you the application we're going to build. This application is called Vidly, and it's supposed to be used at video rental stores. We have two different roles here, admin and staff member. Let me log in as admin. On the top, we have three links on the navigation bar: New Rental, Customers, and Movies. Let's start with the list of customers. You can see this table has pagination, sorting, and searching. If we delete a customer, we get this Bootstrap dialog box for confirmation. We can also add a new customer. And here we have a business rule. If the customer wants to go on a monthly, quarterly, or annual membership type, they have to be at least 18 years old. Otherwise, we get a validation error. So you see, this application is more than just CRUD. There are some business rules involved. Now let's take a look at the list of movies. It's very similar to the list of customers. But let me show you something. If I log out and log in as a guest or a staff member, and by the way, we can log in with Facebook as well. So with what you learn in this course, you can easily extend this application and add support for Google and Twitter authentication. Let's log in. Now back in the list of movies, I get a read-only view of the list of movies. I cannot add, update, or delete a movie. So these features are only available to admins. Now with the list of customers and movies in the database, we can add a new rental. So when a customer comes to the counter, we look them up here, and then we add all the movies they're going to rent. And again, here we have another business rule. These movies have limited availability. So as we are renting out these movies, we need to keep track of availability of movies. So once again, this application is more than just CRUD. So, are you excited to build this application with me? I hope you are. Let's begin.